Hi students, I'm Prakash, Academic Advisor Masterminds. From today onwards, ICAI has opened the correction window for CA Foundation students. CA Foundation exams are scheduled to be conducted by the end of June 2021. So several students are asking me, sir, using this correction window, shall we change our examination center in such a way that we can write our exam right from our home? Yes, I too feel the same. So the environment is very certain. We are unable to predict what is going to happen in the future. That's why. So please utilize this option and change the examination center which is nearer to your hometown. Plan in such a way that you write the examination right from your home and you did not stay in some other hotel or some other place to write your exams. So it's better to change your examination center. And some students are asking me, sir, will the CA Institute open another correction window? Most probably yes. They will open one more correction window which is very much nearer to the date of examination. That means just 15-20 days before the public examination date, they will open another correction window. But nobody is sure about that. Nobody is sure whether second correction window will be there or not. We cannot assure you 100% that most probably it can be there. So if at all needed, you can change the examination center once again through the second correction window. So my dear students, some students are asking me, sir, can you show a step-by-step video on how to change our examination center using correction window? Don't worry, just follow this video after completion of my video. So my team member Mr. Jabibullah will explain you the step-by-step process of changing your examination center using correction window. Just follow this video. All the best.
Hi students, ICAI has opened a correction window option for CA Foundation students for June 2021 exams. Okay, in this video, let us see the procedure how to make corrections through this correction window. First, open ICAI exam portal and the address is icaiexam.icai.org. Okay, this is CA Institute's examination portal. On right side you can see login or register option. Enter your login details here. On right side you can see correction window -June 2021. Against this option you can see apply now. At CA Foundation level, CA Institute is going to, through this window, students can change only the medium applied and the exam center. Except these two options, no another changes will be made through this correction window. Okay, click on apply now option. Here are some terms and conditions. Click on I have read and understood the above. Okay, initially you can see Foundation June 2021 and control number, registration number, student name, medium applied English and examination center Guntur and examination code, center code and state. For all students, for all mastermind students, we recommend to change examination center from Guntur to your native place. సింపుల్ గా చెప్పాలంటే అండి, అందరు స్టూడెంట్స్ గుంటూరులో అప్లై చేసుకున్న స్టూడెంట్స్ ఏదైనా నాన్ లోకల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అయితే కనుక మీ నేటివ్ ప్లేస్లో మీ నేటివ్ ప్లేస్ని ఎగ్జామ్ సెంటర్గా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ఎందుకు, రేపు COVID-19 సిచ్యువేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో చెప్పలేము. అప్పటికే కాలేజెస్ తెరుస్తారో లేదో చెప్పలేము. ఓకే, ఇన్ కేస్ అదే మీ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ సెంటర్గా మీ నేటివ్ ప్లేస్ కనుక పెట్టుకుంటే ఎలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్లో అయినా సరే మీరు ఎగ్జామ్ సెంటర్కి వెళ్ళి ఈజీగా రాసుకోవచ్చు. అదే ఇన్ కేస్ మీరు గుంటూరు పెట్టుకున్నారు, రేపు ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాయడం ఒక్క పర్పస్ కోసం గుంటూరుకి రావడం అనేది కరెక్ట్ కాదు. అదే ఇన్ కేస్ నార్మల్ లాక్డౌన్, నార్మల్ సిచ్యువేషన్ అయిపోయింది, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చారు, చదువుకుంటారు, ఎగ్జామ్స్ టైమ్స్కి మీ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి అక్కడ నుంచి హ్యాపీగా మీరు కంఫర్ట్గా ఎగ్జామ్ రాసుకోవచ్చు. అందుకని మేము సజెస్ట్ చేసేది అందరు స్టూడెంట్స్ని, నాన్ లోకల్ అందరు స్టూడెంట్స్ని గుంటూరు బదులు మీ నేటివ్ ప్లేస్ లేదా మీ నేటివ్ ప్లేస్కి దగ్గరలో ఉన్న ఎగ్జామ్ సెంటర్ని ఈ కరెక్షన్ విండో ద్వారా చేంజ్ చేసుకోండి. అండ్ చేంజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్, click here. You can see here you can change in question paper booklet language. Click on English. Region of examination center South region, and name of examination center Vijayawada. And upload scanned image of handwritten and signed application. Here you need to upload just a formal casual letter seeking that I'm so and so person and bearing so and so SRO number. Initially I have selected so and so center and I want to make change in my exam center from this city to that city. Just a casual letter is sufficient, and after writing casual letter, scan it neatly and upload here. Not uploaded. Uploading once again. Okay, after uploading, click on save and preview button. Before clicking on save and preview button, check this detailed once. Question paper booklet language English and examination center. Except these two options, you can't change any other option. Okay, click on save and preview. Once saved, no further request for changes will be entertained under any circumstance. Okay, click on OK here. You can see here medium applied. This is the original details and this is the changed details. You can see here. Okay, better to take this screenshot or take a screen print. I'm taking here screenshot and click on go to dashboard. That's it. This is a very short and simple process. Okay, now you can see here against correction window June 2021 option applied. Initially it was showing as apply now, but now after applying, yeah, you can see here applied option means you have already applied it. When you click here, the screen will appear like if I changed examination center Guntur to Vijayawada, it will show as like this. That's it, students. If you have any doubts or if you face any difficulties during this process, you can call me at 800-855-6084. I'm repeating 800-855-6084, and you can call me between morning 9 a.m. to evening 7 p.m. That's it. Thank you. Bye.